Hey guys, it's the 11th of August 2021. I hope you're having a great day so far. I've got this video of an aircraft that I filmed on Friday. I call it aircraft UFO. This craft flew over the house on Friday at 6 o'clock. So I filmed this aeroplane. And when I put the video up onto the laptop, I was a little bit stunned because what I think I'm seeing here, it looks like the front portion of this plane has disappeared. Yeah? Let me just pause it there. You can already see that the front portion now is almost lined up with this engine on the wing over here. And when it first came in, you know, it had this front portion of the nose was still visible. And now, at this stage, we can see that it's dropped off. So how does that work? That's just really bizarre, isn't it? So there we go. I think that's a clear indication that this is actually not an aircraft at all, and it's actually a UFO craft cloaking itself, guising itself as an aircraft. I apologize for all of this wobbliness of it. I didn't have it up on a tripod. I just sort of was filming it, holding the camera in my hand. But yeah, I was able to film about 3.5 minutes of this craft as it was flying. And what I have included, I've included some screenshots into this video so we can have a look, almost like from start to finish, of how this craft sort of goes through it's almost through its metamorphosis stage of making itself into an aircraft, because that's what it looks like when you see these still shots. It's just insane. Like it's almost like it builds itself up from a little gray blob. You guys will see that very soon. So I'll let you get on with watching the video, and I'll touch base with you all very soon. If you can hear that crunching sound in the background, it's my dog having her breakfast, in case you're wondering. Okay, careful now. Was it nice, it foodies? Okay, careful, yeah, you're gonna knock this thing. Up away. There we go. And you see, it looks like it's building itself, eh? I mean, from that grey dot, you can already see it's starting to take on a different shape now. It's like it's sort of generating some wings and some shape to it. You can see how far this nose is in front here. It's there, yeah, and that's the engine. I mean, these engines are a little bit off as well, by the looks of it, but you'll notice that, and all of these crazy things. I mean, what is that? What is that stuff? I mean, not to mention this whole fuzz that's around this thing. You know, I tried to identify what plane this was, and I actually couldn't even get to figure it out. It's hard to make out this color, if it's red or orange or yellow. I tried to do some research on this back emblem over here. The closest looking one is Emirates, but that's blue, and this looks red. So I'm a little bit baffled about as even which plane this is, from what airline. But yeah, we can see it's so. I mean, look at that whole thing is gone now in the front completely. And that's the crazy energy. This is the crazy energy that we're witnessing. I mean, we can see it. I mean, with our naked eye, we can't see it. I mean, everything looked absolutely normal with this thing as it was flying over and I was filming it. And it's kind of weird. Only when you like look at it like this, you see like, whoa, you kind of wonder. I mean, geez, our eyes are really tricked then by almost all the things that we then are looking at, isn't it? I mean, everything is sort of got a degree of deception to it, that's for sure. So, you know, I just say go within, keep strong within your faith, and don't give in to fear, hey? And don't be fooled by everything you see, because we can clearly see everything that we're looking at is not even the truth. Okay, guys, so that's it. You have a wonderful day further. I will touch base with you all very soon. Bye.